Hello, today me and Sophie will be explaining how we did the drone interface in our final project. So I've uploaded a video of us kind of making the interface as well as adding the interface to the video. So the first thing that we tried to do is create the interface. We already used it in Photoshop, as you can see here. I'm sorry, it's not showing just yet. Basically, we went in the Photoshop document and we created the entire interface like that, just using simple circle and like rectangle tools. We just did a color overlay and a little bit of a color glow. So the first thing we did was create like a blue background because we kind of wanted to make it look like the drone had a different video camera or something, so it's distinct, you know, that you're looking through a drone. So what we did there is we added a square and then we just set the opacity and the transform down to like the 30s. So the second thing we wanted to do was have elements that were interactive with the video. So we had a little square button that would follow people. So it kind of looks like, you know, the drone is peeking them out. And the only thing we used to make that follow the person is in the transform, we did the position feature and the opacity feature. So the position, we just set the key points down here in the timeline, and we moved them to where we wanted them to move towards a person. So it's pretty simple. And then for the opacity, we just kind of like made it go away out of the shot for a while. And then in the center with the little lens focus, we kind of wanted it to wiggle back and forth, and we found out that there's actually a wiggle feature that you can search for. So in the right, we searched for wiggle, and then we put that on the video. So basically, that's just going to make the circle kind of look like it's trying to focus, and that's kind of what we wanted. And then we also added another circle around that one to make it look more like a lens. And then Sophie will now kind of show you what other interactive elements we have used to create this.
Thanks, Abby. So like she mentioned, I'm going to be talking about more of the interface that we created. If you look on the far top left corner, you can see that there's a little compass and that the arrow is moving slightly up and down and trying to basically point in the direction of the bell tower. If you look on the top right corner, you can see that there's a red blinking light that basically shows that it's recording.